Hello, this is Raina with LYLO Crafts coming on today with a project share for Beebeecraft. I have some very sweet Easter cards to share with you. I am using their products. This one right here, this adorable Easter stamp or spring stamp. Look at the wheelbarrow, the flowers, the watering can, the bees. Oh, it is so cute. And I also selected this time the dies to go with it. And I also, one of the products I selected is this border punch. And I just want you to know that if you have 100 subscribers or more, you can apply to Beebeecraft's program to try out products for free and share them on your channel. So I'll put a link to that below. And also I have a special discount code for you, 10% off your entire order. It is LYLO10. Again, I will put that in the link in the description below, as well as these amazing products. Now let's take a look at what I did. So the first thing I made is this sweet little card right here. I used this Easter egg paper that was given to me by Gina, Loves to Craft. And here is that border punch right here. I did it on the top and also on the bottom to set apart this orange paper that I ran through an embossing folder. And then look at that cute bunny holding the carrot and the wheelbarrow and one of the little bees, all from the stamp set. And then when you open it up on the inside, I've got this sweet watering can from the stamp set, as well as the sentiment that says every day is a gift. So I'm really happy with the way this little card turned out. And then I also created an envelope to put it in. And look, I used that border punch to punch the edge of the envelope as well. So I'm so excited about the way that turned out. I think that is a very sweet set to give to someone you love. Okay, my next one is this. And this little card right here, look at those sweet bunnies. This bunny is watering this plant that is just starting to sprout. And here comes his little friend. She's got a little pansy with her in a pot. And look at that bee who's carrying a little honey for them. So I think that is so cute. And then on the inside, I stamped one of the sentiments that says grow with love. And I just added a strip of paper that is one of these backing pieces, this one right here, for this sweet little card. And then I also made a coordinating envelope, and I did the same thing where I used the border punch to create that beautiful lace edge for the envelope. So these are my two sweet little projects that I've got going on here. With these beautiful items from Beebeecraft. I have partnered with them many times, and the quality of their products is always so amazing. So I really hope that you will go and check them out and take advantage of my discount code. So thanks so much for spending time with me, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.